Bismillah. Welcome to sixth chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn about system management, which includes extension installation and management, redirects, information, updates, and user permission. Now, I will break this chapter into 5 small lessons. Okay, user permission is the sub lesson of the chapter 6. Under the user permission, there are groups, access levels, settings, and text filter. The user groups control what actions a user may take on the website and which object a user can view. This screen allows you to create, view, edit, or delete user groups. The next is the access levels of the user. When we go there, this screen allows the access level of user which are related with the groups. We can create or edit any access level, and then we can assign that access level to any of the group that we want to. What is the access level? Access level mean to any view, component, page, or any asset on your website is accessible to any particular group of website or not. Next is the settings of a website under the user permission, which is actually part of global configuration, and it is under the permission tab. The global configuration screen allows you to configure the Joomla site with your personal settings. Settings made in this screen apply to the whole website. So you have all the groups available here. It has several actions. You can allow several actions to show either a admin part or a component part. Let them to create a record, edit a record to any particular groups. Let's say you want to allow register user site login from front end, and you have selected the setting to allow. You can deny it. It will calculate the setting and will give us an updated setting to not allow. Then you can save it. Okay. I'm not saving it right now.